Good morning, students. Students, today I will explain you chapter 26 World Champions of the Game. As you know, students, different sports have different rules for their conduction. The team members also vary. Some sports have one player, while some has 11. Let us know about the champions of some of the games. Before this, let us discuss some sports and players related to the games. Just see here some sports and their players have mentioned in this table. First, in cricket, 11 players played. In volleyball, 6. Hockey, 11. Chess, 2. Golf, 80 to 160 in groups of 3 or 4. Table tennis, 2 or 4. Basketball, 5. Football, 11. Netball, 7. So, students, these are the players who played in different sports. Now, let us know about the champions of some of the games. So, let's start. Now, first is Peter Gilchrist. Peter Gilchrist is an English born Singaporean English billiards player. Born in 1968 in New Zealand. Gilchrist won the World Billiards Championships in 1994, 2001, 2013 and 2019. In 2003, Gilchrist moved to Singapore to become the national billiards and snooker coach. In 2006, Gilchrist became a Singapore citizen under the Foreign Sports Talent Scheme as a two-time World Billiards champion while competing for England. He has also represented Singapore in the SEA Games in 2009, where he won gold for English billiards singles and bronze for the doubles. He set the world records for highest break in billiards under modern rules at the New Zealand Open Billiards Championships. On 14 February 2014, he scored his second 1000 break at the World Billiards Irish Open. He is the only player, one of the modern era, who scored more than 1000 points in tournament break. He won the 2019 Pacific International Billiards Championship, beating Saurabh Kothari 1500 to 706 in the final. His nationality is New Zealand Singaporean. Okay. Now, LeBron Raymond James. He was born on December 30, 1984, and he is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association. He widely considered one of the greatest NBA National Basketball Association players in history. James is frequently compared to Michael Jordan in debates over the greatest basketball player of all time. Playing for the Cleveland Cavaliers, Miami Heat, and Los Angeles Lakers, James is the only player in NBA history to have won NBA championships, with three franchises as finals MVP. He has completed in 10 NBA finals, including 8 consecutive with the Heat and Cavaliers from 2011 through 2018. His accomplishments include 4 NBA championships, 4 NBA Most Valuable Player awards, 4 Finals MVP awards, and 2 Olympic gold medals. During his 17-year career, James holds the record for all-time playoffs points, is third in all-time points, and 8th in career assists. James has been selected to the ALL-NBA first team a record 13 times, made the All-Defensive First Team 5 times, and has played in 16 All-Star games, in which he was selected All-Star MVP 3 times. Okay. Now, third is Hussein San Leo Bolt. Born 21st August 1986. He is a Jamaican former sprinter, widely considered to be the greatest sprinter of all time. Sprinter means sprinting is running over a short distance at the topmost speed of the body in a limited period of time. He is a world record holder in the 100 meters, 200 meters, 4 into 100 meters relay. Okay. An 8-time Olympic gold medalist, Bolt is the only sprinter to win Olympic 100 meter and 200 meter titles at 3 consecutive Olympics in 2008, 2012 and 2016. He also won 2 4 into 100 relay gold medals. He gained worldwide fame for his double sprint victory in world record times at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, which made him the first person to hold both records since fully automatic time became mandatory. An 11-time world champion, he won consecutive world championship 100 meter, 200 meter and 4 into 100 meters relay gold medals from 2009 to 2015, with the exception of a 100 meter false start in 2011. He is the most successful athlete of the world championships. Bolt is the first athlete to win 4 world championship titles in the 200 meter and is one of the most successful in the 100 meter with 3 titles. Bolt improved upon his second 100 meter world record of 9.69 with 9.58 seconds in 2009. It is the biggest improvement since the start of electronic timing. He has twice broken the electronic timing. He has twice broken the 200 meters world record, setting 19.30 in 2008 and 19.19 in 2009. His achievements as a sprinter have earned him the media nickname Lightning Bolt, and his awards include the IAAF World Athlete of the Year, Track and Field Athlete of the Year, BBC Overseas Sports Personality of the Year, and Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 4 times. Bolt retired after the 2017 World Championships when he finished third in his last solo 100-meter race, opted out of the 200-meter, and pulled up in the 400-meter relay final. Now, third one is Rafa Nadal Barrera, born 3rd June 1986, is a Spanish professional tennis player. He is ranked number 2 in the world by the Association of Tennis Professionals. Has been ranked number 1 in the ATP rankings for 209 weeks. ATP, Association of Tennis Professions, and has finished as the year end number 1 5 times. Nadal has won 20 Grand Slam men's single titles, tied for the most in history with Roger Federer. His 13th French Open titles in particular are a record at any tournament. Nadal's dominance on clay. Clay, it is a tennis court that has a playing surface made of crushed stone, brick, shell, or other unbound mineral aggregate. So Nadal dominance on clay is also highlighted by 60 of his 86 ATP singles titles coming on this surface, including 25 of his 35 ATP Masters 1000 titles and his 81 consecutive wins on clay is the longest single surface win streak in the Open era. Okay. He has also led the Spain Davis Cup team to 5 titles while playing alongside fellow top 10 players including David Ferrer and his future coach Carlos Moya. Outside of competing, Nadal opened a tennis academy in his hometown of Mallorca and is also an active philanthropist. Okay. Now, fourth is Shrikant Kidambi, born 17 February 1993. He is an Indian badminton player who trains at the Gopichand Badminton Academy, Hyderabad. He ranked as world number 1 at the BWF ranking in April 2018. Kidambi was awarded with the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian award in 2018, and Arjuna Award in 2015. In the 2011 Commonwealth Youth Games in Isle of Man, Kidambi won the silver in mixed doubles and bronze in doubles. In 2012, Kidambi overcame then junior world champion Zulkifli of Malaysia in the Maldives International Challenge to claim the men's singles titles. And in 2017, Kidambi and Sai Praneeth created history when they became the first ever Indian pair to enter the finals of a ranking event in badminton. In 2018, Kidambi started at the India Open as the second seed. He was defeated in the second round by Iskander Zulkarnain Zainuddin, who has qualified from the qualifiers. In 2019, Kidambi represented his country at the South Asian Games in Nepal and won the gold medal in the team events. Okay, now next is Elevenil Valerivan. She is a sport shooter from Cuddalore, Tamil Nadu, India. Elevenil represented India at the 2018 ISSF Junior World Cup and won a gold medal, and she clinched silver in World University Games in 2019, after which she won gold at World Junior World Cup Suhel 2019. She has won first at 2019 ISSF 100 meter air rifle World Cup on 28 August, scoring 251.7 in Rio de Janeiro. Elevenil finished fourth in the finals at the ISSF World Cup in Munich, Shooting World Cup 2019 with a score of 208.3. At the 100-meter air rifle Asian Air Gun Championships in Taiwan, Taipei, she clinched her first individual gold medal in the senior category with a score of 250.5. She won two Junior World Cup gold and a silver at Juniors 2018 World Championships. Okay, now seventh is Brady the Arizona Cowboy Allison. Born October 27, 1988. He is an American archer who competes in recurve archery. He is currently a resident athlete at the United States Olympic Training Center in Chula Vista, California. He holds the record for the longest continuous period as the world number one ranked men's recurve archer from August 2011 to April 2013. He earned his nickname the Prospector during the 2015 World Championships due to his proclivity for finding gold. As a child, Ellison suffered from the leg Perthes disease and wore leg braces for a year. For a year, he is an avid hunter. At age 11, Brady killed his first bear. On April 22, 2016, he married Slovenian archer Toja Ellison. At both editions of the World Games in 2013 and 2017, Ellison won the silver medal in the individual field recurve competition. Okay. Now, Lionel Andres Messi, born 24th June 1987, is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward and captains both the Spanish club Barcelona and the Argentina national team. Often considered as the best player in the world and widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. Messi has won a record 6 Ballon d'Or awards and a record 6 European Golden Shoes. He has spent his entire professional career with Barcelona, where he has won a club record 33 trophies, including 10 La Liga titles, 4 UEFA Champions League titles, and 6 Copas del Rey. Copas del Rey, commonly known as Copa del Rey, and it is an annual knockout football competition in Spanish football organized by the Royal Spanish Football Federation. Okay, and 6 Copas del Rey, a prolific goals scorer and creative playmaker. Messi holds the records for most goals in La Liga and European League seasons, most hat-tricks in La Liga and the UEFA Champions League, and most assists in La Liga. He has scored over 700 senior career goals for club and country. Okay. In February 2020, he was awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year, thus becoming the first footballer and also the first team sport athlete to win the award. Later that year, Messi became the second footballer to surpass 1 billion in career earnings. Okay. Now, Primoz Roglic is a Slovenian racing cyclist who currently rides for UCI World Team Jumbo-Visma. Roglic started his career as a ski jumper, but then shifted to cycling. He is the current world number 1 ranked road cyclist in the UCI World Ranking, having held the top placing for 48 weeks in total. He has ended the season twice as the number 1 ranked cyclist. At the 2017 Tour de France, Roglic became the first Slovenian to win a Tour de France stage. In September 2019, Roglic won the Vuelta a España, become the first Slovenian to win a Grand Tour competition. He has also finished one of the final podium at the 2019 Giro d'Italia, third overall, and at the 2020 Tour de France. During the latter race, he became the first Slovenian to wear the yellow jersey before losing out to Kamperite. He won the 2020 Vuelta a España, defending his title from 2019. Now, last, Brooks Koepka, born May 3rd, 1990. He is an American professional golfer on the PGA Tour. In October 2018, he became world number 1 in the official world golf ranking after winning the 2018 CJ Cup. He won the US Open in 2017 and 2018 and the PGA Championship in 2018 and 19, becoming the first golfer in history to hold back-to-back titles in two majors simultaneously. He started his career on the European Challenge Tour and eventually the European Tour. He played college golf at Florida State University. Koepka claimed his first major championship at the US Open in 2017 at Erin Hills, Wisconsin. He successfully defended his title in 2018 at Shinnecock Hills on Long Island, the first golfer to win consecutive US Open since Curtis Strange in 1988 and 89. He won his third major at the 2018 PGA Championship at Bailey Country Club, shooting a major championship record time 264 over 72 holes. His 2018 victories in the US Open and the PGA Championship were the first instance of that double since Tiger Woods in 2000. He won his fourth major at the 2019 PGA Championship at Bethpage Black. Okay. So students, let's move to the classwork. Match the sporting events in column A with the names of famous players who are associated with them in column B. So here in column A, different sports can be mentioned, and in column B, famous players who are associated with these sports. First, tennis. The answer is Rafael Nadal. Second, golf. Brooks Koepka. Basketball, LeBron James. Swimming, Michael Phelps. Badminton, Shrikant Kidambi. Football, Lionel Messi. Cycling, Primoz Roglic. Baseball, Mike Trout. Archery, Brady Ellison. Billiards, Peter Gilchrist. And last, shooting, Levinel Valerivan. So student, this is the exercise of this chapter. Please note it down and learn also. Last, let us know about Gaelic football as additional. Gaelic football mixes elements of soccer, basketball, American football, volleyball, and handball. For 60 to 90 minutes, teams kick, carry, bounce, pass a leather volleyball like ball to get it through goal post. Teams range from 13 to 15 players. The game dates back to 1887 AD. Okay.